When unpacking your box, you will notice it contains a delivery note which details the contents of your order. Please check off the items detailed. You will also receive an envelope, items of which are highlighted on the label. This will include USB with software and user manual, system unit test documentation, and a level sensor datasheet. For the purposes of this video, we will assume you have received the level and velocity sensors, the portable system unit, the deep discharge gel battery, the battery connector, the battery charger, the external power supply. This will enable you to power your flow meter with 24 volts and also charge your battery. The comms cables, we have RS-232 or USB. The auxiliary cable. It will also include the mainstream communicator software USB, which additionally contains the user manual and quick start instructions. The comms cables with the different connections can be either a RS-232 or USB connector, depending on the connection required. Battery charger. This will allow you to charge your battery off-site. Crocodile clips attached to the battery terminals. Auxiliary cable. This cable will supply a connection to your two switch outputs and also allow a 12 volt and 24 volt power input to the flow meter. Each lead is appropriately labeled for relevant connection. Open the lid of the mainstream portable unit. Insert the deep discharge gel battery into the battery compartment. Now remove the cap from the battery connector socket. Take the battery connector and affix it to the battery with adhesive cable clips. Screw the battery connector plug into the battery connector socket. Do not over tighten. Attach the crocodile clips to the battery terminals. Ensure the polarities are correct, red to positive and black to negative. Take the level sensor with the breather attached. The breather contains silica gel to prevent moisture ingress. The breather must never be immersed in water. Remove the dust cap from the level socket and screw the level connector plug into the socket. Then remove the dust cap from the velocity socket and screw the velocity connector into the socket. Now remove the dust cap from the auxiliary socket and screw the auxiliary connector into the socket. Finally, connect your comms cable with either RS-232 or USB to your computer. Remove the dust cap from the comms socket and screw the comms cable into the socket. An LED light will come on once the connection is established. You're now ready to configure your flow meter using the mainstream communicator software. Please refer to the video on mainstream communicator software.